Clock problem. After 7, straight line. Okay, solvein natin kung anong oras na form yung straight line after 7 o'clock. So, drawing tayo ng straight line from 7. Okay, so ito yung hour hand. Ito yung minute hand. Ito yung formula natin dyan. X is equals to hour hand plus minute hand. Ganyan lang kasimple yung formula. X is equals to, hour hand natin is X over 12. Palaging X over 12 yan. Dito yan nakuha sa sa relationship ng hour hand tsaka minute hand. Ayan, hour hand is equals to minute hand over 12. Bali, ang parang definition lang nito is hour hand moves 12 times slower than the minute hand. Ayan, dyan nakuha. Kaya palaging X over 12 yung hour hand natin plus minute hand. Yung minute hand natin, hinahanap natin yung distance na to. Ayan, yung from 12. Hindi natin alam kung nasa 1 ba yan, nasa 2, or nasa pagitan. Kaya gagawin natin dyan, gagamitan natin ng basic geometry. So 7 is 35 minutes. And dahil straight line siya, straight line is 180 degrees equal to 30 minutes. Explain ko mamaya kung bakit 180 degrees is equals to 30 minutes. So ayan, makukuha na natin yung distance nito. Backtrack lang natin ng 30 minutes. 35 minus 30 is 5. Yun ay distance natin. And shift solve lang natin. X is equals to 5.45. So yung oras na na-form yung straight line after 7 is 705.45 seconds. Yun ay sagot. Okay, so explain natin kung paano nangyari yung 180 degrees is equals to 30 minutes. Isang buong circle is 360 degrees, di ba? And sa orasan, yung minute hand, pag nag-travel ng isang buong circle, is 60 minutes. Therefore, 360 degrees is equals to 60 minutes. And kalahati ng circle is 180 degrees. Equal to 30 minutes. Ito, sa 12 to 6. Di ba pag nag-travel yung minute hand from 12 to 6, 30 minutes. And pag naman right angle, ayan, right angle siya, 90 degrees, equals to 15 minutes. At 5 minutes is equals to 30 degrees. Ayan lang yung halos importanteng conversion dito sa clock algebra. Okay, solvein natin yung after 3 coinciding line. Coinciding line is pag nag-meet sila pag nag-meet yung hour hand tsaka minute hand. So ito medyo basic lang to X is equals to hour hand plus minute hand. Same formula lang. X is equals to X over 12. Tapos yung minute hand natin, ito na yun Dahil magkasama sila, yan, 15. Magkasama sila sa 3. Yung distance natin is 15. So, shift solve lang ulit. X is equals to 16.36. Yun ay sagot. Okay, right angle. Sa right angle naman, dalawa yung sagot natin. Kasi meron tayong right angle sa kanan and meron ding right angle sa kaliwa. So, solvein muna natin yung nasa kanan. X is equals to hour hand plus minute hand, x over 12 plus 7 is 35 minutes. Tapos dahil right angle siya, 90 degrees is equals to 15 minutes. So backtrack lang tayo ng 15 minutes dito. Makukuha na natin yung distance. 35 minus 15 is 20. Yun ay distance natin. Shift solve. 20. So yung oras na form yung right angle sa right side is 7:21.82. Sa left side naman, ganun lang din. Pero imbis na mag-backtrack tayo, mag-a-add naman tayo ng 15. So 15 plus 35 is 50. Substitute lang natin dito. So palitan natin ng 50. Yung sagot natin is 754.55. Okay, dito naman sa after 12, 120 degrees. Dito naman, hindi tayo binigyan ng shape. Ang binigay sa atin, degree. No? So, ganito yung itsura niyan, 120 degrees. Yan. Hanapin natin kung anong oras na form yung 120 degrees. Okay, so x equals to hour hand plus minute hand. X is equals to x over 12 plus, so paano natin kukunin yung distance na to? So basic geometry lang ulit. 90 degrees is equals to 30 minutes. I mean 15, di ba? 15 minutes. And 30 degrees is equals to 5 minutes. 90 plus 30 is 120. 15 plus 5 is 20. Okay, so shift solve lang ulit. .82. So yung oras na na-form yung 120 degrees after 12 is 21.82. Dito naman, medyo iba na yung problem natin dito. Ang hinahanap naman natin is yung angle. At yung given ay yung oras mismo. So, paano to? 12, 6, 9, 7, 8. Bale, 705. Ganito yung itsura niyan diba? 7, 1. Hahanapin natin yung angle ngayon. Binigyan tayo ng oras. Bale, dito, ang approach natin dito is medyo simple computation lang. Gagawin natin dito, itong left side, multiply natin by 30. And itong right side, multiply natin by 11 over 2. Tapos, subtract natin yung dalawa. So, 7 times 30 is 210. Minus 5.455 times 11 over 2 is 30.0025. 210 minus 30.0025 is 179.9975 or 180 degrees. Yun na yung angle natin sa oras na yun. And kung mapapansin nyo, yung oras natin na to, 7:05, ito yung nasolve natin kanina, no? And ito yung yung straight line kanina, kaya 180 degrees. So tama yung angle na nakuha natin, 180 degrees. Parang dinouble check lang natin. Ayun. So, dito naman, sa angle at 120, ganun lang din. Times 30, tapos ito, times 11 over 2. So, 1 times 30 is 30. 20 times 11 over 2 is 110. Dito, nakuha naman natin negative answer. Gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung absolute value. So, ang sagot is 80 degrees.